Alright, so this is part 2 of SER431 assignment 1. Just starting at the index screen just to show that it still has the monitoring the FPS, even though it's going to be seen through the example. So here we're actually going to be connecting each vertex, each of the 8, to form the 12 faces, which are laid out here. So the way the faces work is they're going to be connected, each vertex. So this is vertex 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth, just to connect them. Nothing different from the code they provided because there's really no way to change it unless you want to change the shape. For instance, maybe make a pyramid or so. I just decided to keep the square just so it was easy to follow along with the examples. Calculate the FPS here just so it'll be rendered on screen because I know this software doesn't provide it. Same drawing loop, you rotate, render, and then repeat. This right here is just monitoring the FPS, so when you see an example, it'll be provided. Where the line's actually being drawn, I am using the, don't really know how to pronounce his name properly, but the Bresenham. Since it's his algorithm, you can't really change much of it. This right here is another way of drawing the line. It's a little bit less efficient, so there'll be frame rate drop since it's going to be calculated a little bit more often. So I decided to go with the beeline way. And here's what the cube looks like. Staying at an average 60 FPS. It's hard to read, but if you can tell, it's going between 58 and 60 just every rotation. And from there, as you can tell, all faces are connected, all faces have been drawn, all 12 of them. And then I could also turn off the rotation real quick just so you can get a better view of the actual cube, which is done here. I don't know why I switched to index. Alright, so here's the cube without it rotating. As you can tell, the faces are all there. It's a little bit harder to tell since it's obviously not rotating. You can't get any depth perception. But saying at the average FPS of 60, and you can see all the triangles. One right here, one right here, and then some in the middle. And that's really it. It's being rotated, and just so you can get a better view of it. And that's really it. Nothing new.